1. CoinRule has the broadest range of preset trading strategies, making it one of the most popular bots available. It allows users to customize investing with more than 150 trading templates automatically executed when market conditions meet already defined parameters. CoinRule regularly introduces new templates to its platform, from long-term holding strategies, stop-loss settings to accumulation. With free and paid plans, the number of templates you'll gain access to varies according to the plan you choose. Its paid package comes with advanced charting options, unlimited template usage, even one-on-one trading tutorials and lessons, while the free plan has 7 complementary template strategies. Exchanges: Coinbase Pro, Binance, Bitstamp, Bittrex, Pionex, Kraken, BitMEX, Bitfinex. Bitpanda Pro, Liquid, OKEX, Binance US, HitBTC. 2. Wonder Trading is a crypto automation platform with mirror trading and crypto portfolio management tools. Users may create completely autonomous cryptocurrency trading bots with TradingView PineScript. Earn passive cryptocurrency income by following highly skilled traders or trade manually with the sophisticated trading terminal. The extensive range of trading capabilities that Wonder Trading provides sets it apart from its competitors. You may utilize the trailing stop and even swing trade functionality on the Wonder Trading platform. You may also use advanced trading features such as stop loss and take profit to improve trading strategies. You may incorporate numerous trading algorithms and technical indicators into your bots thanks to the TradingView integration. Their specific built-in terminals may also be used to develop DCA and spread tactics. Wonder Trading lets you manage several exchange accounts from a single dashboard. After adding your exchange accounts through API, you'll be able to replicate trades across all accounts with a single click. The platform provides detailed statistics that are calculated and shown on the dashboard so traders can keep track of gains and trade more effectively. 3. Bitscap is one of the best Bitcoin trading bots that can help you manage your crypto assets with ease and enable you to create a bot strategy with a few clicks. This tool can inspect up to 10,000 crypto pairs and pick out the coins with the best potential. With Bitscap, you can view your trading through a chart, test settings before trading, and access it by downloading it. Bitscap price starts from $19 to $112 per month. Exchanges: KuCoin, Livecoin, CEXIO, Pionex, Bittrex, Coinbean, Coinex, Huobi, Gate.io, Bitstamp, Liquid, Gemini. BitZ, Yobit, DDEX, HitBTC, Bithump, Bitfinex, Buybox, Exmo, OKEX, Big1, Binance, Kraken. 4. Pionex is a crypto exchange with built-in trading bots. And you have access to 12 unique trading bots at no extra fee. These trading bots allow you to automate your trading strategy, so you don't need to monitor the market constantly. This tool is an excellent option for mobile and high-volume traders. The main product of Pionex is the trading bot selection, even though it supports manual trading using crypto-to-crypto conversions. This bot executes traders' buy and sell orders with no manual input but with predefined market conditions. Pionex uses a maker-taker fee schedule. This means that you only pay when your placed trades make liquidity in the market, which also takes liquidity from the market. If your trade is not matched immediately by an outstanding order on the books, you have to pay the maker fee. If your order is matched, you have to pay the taker fee. Exchanges: Binance, Huobi Global, Pionex. 5. TradeSanta is a cloud-based trading bot that can save you time when it executes trades on your behalf. It is easy to set up. Allows you to automate trading across different exchanges, and choose the preferred setting when you create the bot. To scale your trading with TradeSanta, you can create as many bots as you want. Furthermore, it supports a majority of the cryptocurrency exchanges available today. Exchanges: HitBTC, Bittrex, Huobi, BitMEX, Bitfinex, OKEX, Upbit, Binance. 6. Cryptohopper. This is a crypto trading bot that hosts its services entirely on the cloud. That way, it can help you catch short periods of downtime that will have resulted in missed profits. Also, the bot experiences no downtime and serves updates without interrupting your trades or putting a halt to your account. Even if you are offline, your Cryptohopper account will still be up and running. This bot offers an intuitive and easy setup process, with no credit card information or platform installation required. Exchanges: OKEX, Bitvavo, Bitpanda Pro, Huobi, Pionex, Kraken, Bittrex, Bitfinex, Coinbase Pro, KuCoin, Binance, HitBTC. 7. Bicrypto. This is a platform that enables you to make automated trading in crypto and save time. There are no coding skills required to use this platform, and you can create and control trading robots to trade with your strategies. Bicrypto is a free bot trading platform that gives you 24-hour support with a visual editor. Exchanges: Bicrypto can be used in Kraken and Binance. 8. Gunbot. This is a crypto bot you can customize, which allows you to create unlimited bot instances. It supports more than 100 exchanges and is one of the best automated bots that support automated Bitcoin trading for more consistent results in your trades. Gunbot has a strategy that makes it easy for you to start and helps you customize your strategies. The price starts from 2 cents per month. 9. Gunbot exchanges: Binance US, BitMEX, Bitfinex, BitMEX Testnet, Coinbase Pro, HitBTC, Huobi Global, OKEX, OKCoin, Bitstamp, KuCoin, Pionex, SEX, BitHum, Kraken, Bittrex, Coinex, Binance. Axion Crypto. This innovative, easy-to-use cryptocurrency trading bot was created to help you develop complex automated trading indicators and algorithms. Axion Cryptospot can be used across many crypto exchanges, and you can create your own strategies with the code editor or builder. The price starts from $15 up to $90 per month. With this tool, you can backtest ideas and new trading strategies, monitor and manage custom trades, and use a trading view or the manual system to send signals directly. The bots run in the cloud over the secure enterprise network that removes the necessity of downloading and installing the platform. Exchanges: Binance, Tralatee, FTX, Bybit, Kraken, KuCoin. 10. 3. This is one of the best cryptocurrency bots that enables you to increase revenue, allowing you to create a strategy based on 20+ different trading indicators. 3. Helps you reduce risks and losses, buy and sell in a single window, and also copy the setting of other bots. With this platform, you can balance your portfolio by maintaining coin ratios and profit with minimal effort. This crypto trading bot gives you deal notifications through a mobile app, browser, and email. It offers starter, advanced, and pro plans, and it's available on both iOS and Android. Exchanges: Binance Dex, Bitfinex, Binance.us, Bybit, Balance Futures, BitMEX, Bittrex, Coinbase Pro, Gate.io, Sex.io, Exam, Bitstamp, Huobi Global, KuCoin, HitBTC, Kraken, Pionex, OKEX, Yobit, Binance. 11. Tralatee. This is a platform for anyone who wants to create super creative, highly intricate algorithms within an educational, community-driven infrastructure which promotes learning and development. Tralatee is one of the most popular trading bot platforms globally, both for beginner and advanced crypto investors. If you can code advanced trading algorithms, Tralatee has a tool called Rule Builder. It is a state-of-the-art graphical user interface that you can use to build your trading bot's logic by simple drag-and-drop indicators and strategies. Advanced users with Python coding knowledge can use their browser-based code editor, which is the most advanced of its kind. With the code editor, developers use their coding knowledge to create advanced and intricate strategies in a fast and secure way. They have different plans from free to paid. Exchanges: Binance, Coinbase Pro, Bitpanda, and Kraken. 12. Cryptohero. This is a unique platform that has a website, mobile app, and a beautiful user experience. Cryptohero app is easy to download, doesn't overheat your phone, doesn't use too much memory, and loads fast. They have a free, basic platform and also a paid platform for their users. Cryptohero. They have a simple tutorial in their mobile app which helps traders create their first bot and start trading. There is a deals tab split between in progress and completed. And you can review your dashboard for active orders, win-loss ratio, realized profits, and the total number of trades. Exchanges: Binance, Kraken, KuCoin. 13. Hotelbot. Hotelbot is one of the best cryptocurrency trading bots that help you to manage your trades with a user-friendly dashboard. With this software, you can create a portfolio of more than 350 coins and easily customize your portfolio according to your need. This bot allows you to rebalance your portfolio easily. And the price starts from $3 a month. This crypto bot automatically keeps your portfolio on track. This bot encrypts your data using SHA-256 and helps you conduct marketing indexes in fewer efforts. Exchanges: Binance, Kraken, KuCoin, Bittrex. 14. Streak. This is a cryptocurrency trading bot that helps you to backtest, deploy and make strategic trading decisions. Streakbot does not require coding skills, and it's suitable for retail traders. This bot is a simplified trading tool based on an algorithm that helps traders to make systematic trades in cryptocurrency. It tracks the market's movements for traders and helps you know the right time for entry and exit. There is a 7-day free trial to use Streak. Exchanges: Binance, Deribit, HitBTC, OKEx, Huobi, Kraken. Coinbase Pro, Coinbase, ZB, BitMEX.